Because it's old.
Yeah, we're trying to find a new one. But we're just keeping it for this year and then we're going to open it.
Myra and Ruben.
I can open this. Is it?
So listen. This is supposed to go behind.
This is so cute.
Step by step. So it's
Okay. Show me.
I'll clean it up, okay?
Okay, here.
You're right, somebody did. That was their arm.
There's.
Right, where's the arm go?
I think they lose a arm.
Alright, Lane, we got an arm. The arm's gonna take care of the baby, like.
There you go. This is Mary's baby.
You got it, Seiji?
Got it.
Okay.
Like that.
Good.
Where's mine? How should the star go?
And then on the orange or on the yellow, you're going to have a big piece and you'll have a smaller piece. You want to take the bigger piece.
All right.
And take the back off. And that's going to go right at the bottom here.
Uh-oh.
Oh, okay. You got it, Seiji?
Uh-oh, she got it stuck.
That's going to go right at the
Oh,
bottom.
where's mine? Yeah, where's mine again?
Okay.
Here, Myra.
Then
I can help you with that.
Oh, why you took it out?
I got it wrong.
So that goes right at the bottom.
Yeah, that goes at the bottom, Seiji. The big.
Can you help me with this?
Yeah, hold on. Yeah.
Right.
Yeah, just.
Is this not?
Yeah.
Do you see how she put
No,
it
no,
at the
put it at the
bottom?
bottom.
Okay.
What?
Yeah.
Why?
You got it. You got
Supposed
it.
to put on this thing, then this.
Oh, yeah, that could go
Once
that
you
way
get
too.
that down, you're going to find baby Jesus.
Oh, you're
And
right.
he is going to go right like that.
What
Okay.
the looks
Oh,
like
Baby
yeah.
Jesus. We did that backwards.
sheep thing works that way. What's that? We open the heel left.
Did you get it, Seiji? You got the baby Jesus?
Smaller piece. Yep.
Well, I don't know.
Okay.
All right, put this down, Leia. There you go.
Here.
Now stick it out on top.
Danny, here, you want to peel this out? Peel the bottom. Peel this out. Yeah, peel that out.
Then you're going to take the other little teeny piece of yellow, which represents hay, and that's going to go right with Jesus. And he's like laying in the hay.
Wow, that is so neat. Oh, that's so cute. You got it, Seiji?
Oh, she only has one.
Oh, yeah, you did it. You did it.
Why is she like that?
Yeah, right there. Gotta get the paper out. Get this paper out.
Last piece, it's going to have a glue on it with like a little flesh hand. That is Mary's hand. So Mary's hand will go right here, like if she's holding
The baby.
like this.
Wow. Oh, okay.
Okay?
I'm done.
Awesome.
You got it, Seiji?
What
Yeah.
it looks like now. What it looks like.
Okay, let me see.
Love it. Yep. Exactly right.
Very good.
Now, guys, I was right, Mommy.
I think you did.
Oh, you did. Let me see. That's awesome. You did it. I'm gonna help you, baby. I want to
I
take this.
can help.
Okay, Danny, get your. They're so cute.
Thank you.
My red
All right, guys.
Okay, Danny, face this way next to Seiji. Yeah, good, good. Oh, we can't see her.
Oh, Leia, come over here.
Yeah, come on out. Come on out.
Come over here so we can see you.
Yeah.
There you go.
All right, guys, on the count of three, we're going to say, I love Jesus. 1, 2, 3.
I love Jesus.
Nice.
Oh.
All right.
Oh.
So, guys, while we're standing there, we're going to sing our songs one more
We're
time.
going to sing again.
All right.
Okay, Danny, go stay with Seiji. Go stay with Seiji.
All right.
Good, good, good. Good.
So, we're going to say.
Okay, we're gonna sing. And then
You
we're
can
gonna
put
go
your
to the big
craft-
church.
I don't know if it'll fit on your wrist or you can lay it right in front of you.
Can I get
Or maybe stick on your finger.
Here, I'll hold it
You
for
might
you.
stick on your finger, maybe.
Well, hold it. No, no, no. Okay, stand right there. Right there, stand.
Did you type by
All right, here we go.
Jesus loves me, this I know, for the Bible tells me so. Little ones to Him belong. They are weak, but He is strong. Yes, Jesus loves me. Yes, Jesus loves me. Yes, Jesus loves me. The Bible tells me so. Let me do the string for. Okay.
All right. I don't know how to mine. All right.
We can help you. We'll help you.
I'm gonna help you.
Here,
Okay?
my thing. Let's see. How do I make one? What are these holes for? Right here.
For string.
Oh, Myra, you got holes. Is it good?
Okay,
Yeah,
now
mine.
here.
Yeah,
Okay,
good.
this is
Here.
okay. Let's put the string here.